Guys, today I just got a new gun, and it's this pistol. I just got it from a friend. I traded it. It's a mega big shot pistol, and it only came with 2 bullets. And then also I got this rifle, and this is the first time I got a rifle. I bought with 2 clips with it. And then that container has some more bullets in it. And then this is the rifle. And literally, it's not that good for right now, but it shoots like 20 meters. And it sounds still like this. And literally, when I shoot bullets at people, well I don't, but when I want to, literally, that's my brother. But when I do shoot it at people, which is never, but when I do shoot it, it's when I do Nerf war against my brother and maybe his friend and my friend. But also, I use this just for no reason. It's just a gun that I like now. And then this big shot pistol. It shoots far also, and I'll show you a demonstration on my brother.
That doesn't even really hurt.
It doesn't hurt that much, but when you do shoot it, it shoots very far. So there's my little 2 guns that I got. A little gun and my other gun. For some reason, my brother got this squirt gun. It looks like a minigun for some reason. But also, when I go out here, some days I do this, but I haven't played it for a while. I have my PlayStation, and I have like 18 games in here. And then right here,
21 games.
I got, one second. I got some fidget spinners and give me to 50 subscribers and I'll do a giveaway. And then here's my PlayStation that goes with the games. My house is not clean, but my brother just finished on a video of Minecraft right here. And his friend just left. And literally, well, that's it.